Hello, welcome back to another video, and today is going to be part 2 of how to make a Google site, an unblocked Google site. So basically, this video is just going to be about like quality of life stuff. Like you don't have to add it, but it'd be cool too. The first thing that I would use is a clock. I know you don't really need this, but like it's just cool. So I'll put this link in the description. It has a bunch of stuff. It also has links to stuff like this. And you could basically there's search bars, there's a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go to the clock. It's over here in the document tab. Copy it, go to your front page, embed code, paste it. You can customize it however you want. I'm not gonna teach you how to do that really, but just once you're done, just next and then insert. And I have a clock. And I have just a basic clock. I'll just put it in the center. There. The next thing I'm going to teach y'all how to add is a search bar. So, the way you actually want to do this is copy it, go into it, do the same thing as before, but instead of pressing next and then insert right away, what you actually want to do is basically you just want to go into the publish site, search anything, and then copy everything that's behind this A or whatever you searched. So basically everything that's the equal sign and lower, and then you put that down here. You put that where it says HTTPS. Yeah. And then basically you just paste that there. And now you can also, what you should do is you should also put your, wait, where is it? Right here. Put your site name, right here. So I'll just put search tutorial. There. And now it works. So that's basic. Next thing I would add is I would add flashing text. Way you add it, copy, embedded code, and then go up here where it says pro, just remove that, and I'll just put tutorial, but you put whatever you want, and there you go. That's the third thing. The next thing is rainbow text. You basically do the same exact thing you did with the flashing one. Embedded code, find the thing that says text, which is usually at the top, and replace it with whatever you want. So I'll just put tutorial again. And now we have rainbow text. The next thing I'll do is go into a more in-depth I'll go into a more in-depth thing of how to add games, because I feel like mine was oh yeah, just go to this website, I'll copy the code, and then yeah. So for this one, I will go and do hold on. I'll do Backrooms 2D. You can download it. Actually, I'll be doing the other strategies that I didn't talk about in the other video. So I'm not gonna download it right now, just because I don't know. But I will show you how to add these. So click on it. If you want 6 of them, drag this to that side and then another one to the other side. Now you have 6. The next thing you're going to want to do is just like put an image there. I'm gonna do Google images because I'm not trying to show my files. Nah, bro. So I did Backrooms 2D, so I'll just search up Backrooms. Right here. You put your text, and then what you want to do next is you want to make it either a page or full embed. It doesn't matter. I'll just do, for this one, I'll do full embed. So I go Backrooms to D, put that in games, and it's basically the same thing with the Mario 64. You get embed, embedded code, next, insert. Some games might not work. See, this one did. Oh, no, it did work. Okay, so this game did work. So once you have your game, go into the thing, double click it, and click on the chain button, and click on your game. And now it works. I'll just test it real quick. Maybe play Backrooms 2D. It didn't work. It's probably because I'm only, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, now that we're in here, now that we tested out it works. Oh, there we go. So next, how about we do, I kind of forgot what I was gonna do. Okay, oh yeah, I'm gonna teach y'all how to add movies in the next tutorial. So get ready for that. I can't do in this tutorial. I had to get things set up for the next tutorial. This was unplanned. But anyways, let me just publish this. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna publish it. And you know what? I'll just end the video here. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube videos for more tutorials. Goodbye.